This is what I love about gardening. You grow your own harvest and, of course, eat your harvest at the same time. But the most fulfilling is, and you know exactly, no, to yourself that you're eating organically grown vegetables and leafy vegetables. And one of these vegetables that I have here on my rooftop gardening is this kamote taps from Iloilo City. I brought this when I went home last year or 2 years ago, I think. And along this taro. This taro is very delicious when you cook laing. It's one of the sangkap for laing. And look at that, my God, no, no, only fish sauce, tomato, and calamansi. We got calamansi too. The reason why we grow calamansi because we love calamansi for drinks and for ingredients in our cooking. In the Philippines, we use most of the time calamansi over manao, but there's no manao actually in the Philippines. I have one in our farm in Tumangas, so I'm planning to uh, grafted when I go home and let's see, let's spread the variety of manao in the Philippines. Manao is really good for what is this? Tom yum, tom yum. Look at that. We have planted our pots with kamote taps, and in between is the taro. The reason why I changed ornamental plants to edible ones because the ornamental is only for your eyes, but this one is for our stomach. We need food to survive, and one thing we can do is to plant our own and do not rely purely on market in the market. In the market, most of the vegetables and fruits now are GMO produced. So here's mine. This papaya tree has been growing for 2 years already, and haven't seen any progress that's showing the flowers to bear fruits. And what I did last week, I grafted it, and now I'm waiting for another 3 weeks to see the result. If the roots are showing, and then that's the time that perfect time to cut over here and plant it in a pot now. So I need to buy a bigger pot for this dwarf, uh, may say a dwarf grafted papaya. I'm very happy to show you that all our pots are covered with green kamote tops. Look at that. I have harvested many times already, and I'm planning to harvest all this next week and to sell in the office. I know Filipino teachers would love to eat and would love to incorporate this in their cooking. Now, the only manure that I used for these plants here in our rooftop garden is the rice hull, and at the same time the cow's manure that I bought in bypass Ratchaburi. Look at that now. See, happy to share with you also that our air drying is working, and this is about to packed and ready for sale. or for consumption. We can cook delicious lying this time around. So guys, if you are planning to have your own garden but there's no space enough for gardening, try to consider rooftop gardening or backyard gardening with the pots. Or you can use your empty bottles like this. I'll show you. Empty bottles and cut it in half to start your mini garden. This one is a yellow croutons where I bought this in bypass Ratchaburi. Yeah. This one I offer this as a gift to my friends here in Ratchaburi, and other things that other and nationalities would love to. And even I offer this to the what is this? Orphanage in Swanpung with Sister Miana and the children. I handily, together with my students, former students, planted around the orphanage to beautify it. Look at that now. Aside from this, we have caladiums and other rare plants. A monstera with variegated one, and the green giant monstera over there. Delicious. So that's all for now, guys, and see you again on the next vlog. Thank you very much, and God bless everyone. Enjoy farming and enjoy gardening.